So I went to a pretty cool wheel store place. I'll show you all the video of it right now. Wonderful people at Great Wheels in Sevierville have a beautiful store and a nice front. They were nice enough to help me change my tires out for a really good deal. I'll go back to them for sure, but they have a nice store. Ooh, I want one of these, a Hurricane. Like 10 minutes for them to do it. It took me like 3 days to try to get these on and off and stuff, but I have brand new tires that need to go on other rims, but this is what we got going on. So I'm gonna get these, I'm gonna get this bearinged and then put on the bike and get that all lined up and stuff.
You know, when you're at work, if your earbuds are dying, you can use that battery pack. It's back in the van. It's in that thingy kit.
Yeah, I know.
It's
I know what you're talking about, baby. Yeah. So we'll put these in the freezer so they'll shrink, and then what you'll do is take a torch and just lightly heat this up a little, right? And then when the bearings are frozen, they'll shrink. The metal and the molecules will get tighter, and it'll make the bearing actually just a tad bit smaller. And then what you do, because this is super cold and then this will be a little bit hot, the bearing should slide right into the hub. But I'm so happy that they fit. That is awesome. I do appreciate y'all for hanging out with me, chilling. It's our first day of actual nice weather. It has been 20 degrees with snow for like a month. It's retarded. I'm retarded. It's retarded. But anyway, let's throw these in the freezer real quick, and then right there, bearing. But yeah, it's black. It's better than what it looked like before. We'll get this reinstalled and put back on the bike. I ordered another throttle cable. The one that I have is 46 inches long, and it's about 6 inches too long. So I ordered a 40, like a 40 and a half or something. I don't know, it wasn't quite 40 inches. It was a little over 40 inches. Also, I'm thinking about changing the peg colors from blue to that color. So that way it matches that. It'll look kind of like that once it's done. Like that. There we go. Look at that. That looks incredible. Now we just got to secure the cable, double check everything, and hopefully we're good to go. I also need to paint that nut. Add a little paint to it. I think the best way, oh, that's right, the bearing. Ooh, I gotta get the bearing, and I gotta get a torch. I need a bearing. Pick up this thing. There it is. So we just want to heat it up a little. Come on. It's all time sensitive. Fuck. I knew that was going to happen. Seat it. Yeah, I seated it properly. Looks good. Get it down in there. Alright, it turns. Okay, so let's do the other side real quick. Alright, same thing. Turn on the torch. Okay, got it in. You can see it smoking. Oh yeah, perfect. And it spins perfect. Right here, brand new bolts to go in, and then I got a brand new bottle of Loctite. So we will go ahead and install this together. Knocked over the phone and my tripod, and I just broke my only tripod that holds phones. So that's great. Now I get to go on Amazon and give them another $20 for a little cell phone style tripod thing. And I got that on. That looks good, minus the little scratch marks and stuff I've already put in. But yeah, that is on and looking good. Let's see if it looks good. It goes over here on the front here, and then we have that needs to go over there. All right, so we have this kit in here that has all of these bolts. Oh shit, damn it. Well, that's just awesome. Anyway, had brake pads, nothing in there. Love it when I get the kit mixed up. Awesome. These are other bolts and stuff. Another bracket for the brake caliper. A gas hose. What do I got that for? I need to go over here. The brake caliper is right here. And you see what I did is I tried to spray paint it black. Looks like there's still some gold showing, so what I'll do is I'll respray paint this real quick before and then let it dry, and then we can use it again. Where's my spray paint at, boys? Boy! Alright, so I know somewhere over here I have spray paint. Ah, right there, right behind the Death Wish coffee. Get that real quick, and then we will go back to where we were. Okay, so what I've done is I've hooked up some ratchet straps up into the rafters, right? So that way, see, I got the front up and I got the back jacked up now, so that way I can fit the tire. So we just put the new rim or the new bearings in, and then I just got done gluing and torquing down the brake and the gear. And we're going to try to get these two to fit in there, but I just wanted to kind of show y'all how I got this thing like secured. Just kind of chilling. Yeah, good idea, right? I mean, I don't really have any other way of holding the bike up, but this is going to be a pain in the butt, y'all. It's tight. All right, so I got front brake set up right here. That way. And then what you want is you don't want that to hang out past here, because if the bike falls over, this will break off. Like this one, see? There was one there, but it fell over. But anyway, I'm working on the front brake, so I'm thinking throttle, and then, oh shit, brakes. Throttle, brakes. Yeah, I think that'll work. That'll work good. That'll work real well. And then, God, them tires look awesome. You know, I mean, cause that is what was on the tire, on the front, and then that's what we got now. So, completely different everything. Street ready, baby. Street ready. Now we just got to work on installing the front brakes. But yeah, dude, this bike is going to look incredible when it's done. The only thing stock on this bike is the frame. I have replaced every single thing. Tires, forks, suspension, handlebars, brakes, grips, bearings, motor, chain, clutch, tensioners, back tires, gears, throttle cables, exhaust pipes, carburetors. It's all been changed. The only thing stock is the frame. Alright, so we got the back tire mounted. I had to put the chain back on. I'm working on the back brake here. And I still have to get the engine and chain lined up. You see that dip, how the chain kind of goes to the right a little? I got to adjust the motor to straighten that up. But I was looking at the brake rotor, and I think it might be rubbing down inside there. It looks like it is. I can kind of see it. Yeah. Alright, so it looks, just judging by there's more of a distance on the right side of the caliper than there is on the left. You can see that there. See how you see the opening there? And then on this side, it's a little tight. So let me get the motor straightened. It's not going to correct that because this is on an axle and all that's in there. That bracket right there, that black bracket, it could be bent pulling the brake caliper that way, pulling it that way, which is pulling on that rotor down there. But yeah, let me get this chain fixed, boys, and we'll be getting there. We will be getting there nicely. The bike, ouch, son of a bitch. The bike is starting to come around. It's gonna look good. All right, I'll continue. All right, so I think I got the bike pretty much done. We're waiting on a couple of things to come. Another pulley to go in the back and a new throttle cable. You see this length here? I want to take that out and the new throttle cable will be a lot shorter. But for right now, I just kind of got it. I think I got it ready to go. The back fender had to be modified a little. But damn, I think it looks good, guys. I think I did an awesome job building this bike. If y'all like this, make sure to leave me a like, subscribe to the channel. We got more to come. We got way more to come. New tires. Oh my God. Yes. Let's go. All right, so I just took the bike out for a test. Is that smoking? It is smoking. But anyway, look. The pipe rattled loose. So now I need to figure out a way to keep that pipe from vibrating off. I thought I had it on there fairly tight, but apparently I didn't. Other than that, this thing's a nightmare. Oh my God, is it fast. Woo, is it fast.